Good morning, everybody. Okay, so I want to start out the IS number 16 notes about the basics of hypothesis tests and testing a claim about a proportion by clarifying a little bit. This happened both in the number 14 notes and the number 15 notes. I tried to explain the idea of what we're dealing with first, and then move into how you actually technically calculate either a confidence interval or whatever it was that we were working on. So I'm going to do the same thing now for hypothesis tests. I want to walk you through what in the world is a hypothesis test and what would it be used for? What are the ideas behind this? So you get that clear understanding of it first. And then we will actually work through constructing a hypothesis test. So just to be really clear, this first part, right? So the first page and then the ideas on the back of the first page are just basics about what a hypothesis test actually does. Sorry, my cat's getting into something. About what a hypothesis test actually does. Sorry about that, guys. And then it moves forward. We talk about, in part 2, kind of what are some of the consequences of doing a hypothesis test? What if we're not actually right? And then in part 3 is where we actually get to the technical way of constructing hypothesis tests. And of course, we have another problem or another couple of problems to walk us through that. So please, as you're watching this video, just be thinking about the idea of this test that we're running, not thinking during, part 1, okay, I'm gonna construct it this way every time, because that's not the case. This is just to get us really thinking about the big ideas behind hypothesis test. Okay, I'm gonna start part 1 in the next video.